Hi guys, I'm going to be taking you through a tutorial on how to put lipstick and glasses on an image. So this is what I expect the application to look like. I'd like to be able to adjust the color intensity and also the color. So you go from pretty much every color under the rainbow. Intensity. The glasses should be able to go from black to white. See some pretty colors there. Some more natural than others. Let's see if we can make that look a little natural. That looks pretty good. Okay, let's go and get started. Go through the outline. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is find the faces. Then I'd like to find the points. Then I'd like to be able to put the lipstick on, put the glasses on, and change the color. I would start by importing an image, converting it to grayscale, and then finding the faces. From those faces, I'd like to be able to find the points and create a list of those points. Those points will then allow me to find the points, the lips, and the eyes. And from there, I should be able to create a mask, change the color, put it all back together, and have different color lips. With the glasses, I should be able to resize the glasses, place them in the center, put those back on. And the looks I get should look like this. I'll just kind of move that over so you can see different colors. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is import CV2, import Dlib, import NumPy, and the math module. Let's go and create the function. Let's go and set up basically this standard OpenCV setup to import an image. Put the wait key there so we can stop it, name the window, and destroy all windows when we're done using it. I want to go ahead and make the name image a global space. That way I don't keep using the same memory. I can keep using the same memory. Let's go ahead and show that in a window. And, it'd help if I imported it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Next. Oh yeah, let's convert to grayscale. That to find the faces. I'll be using track bars later, so it's going to create a quick callback function for that. Some notes in here. You can find this on my GitHub. Easier than trying to retype it all. You can just clone it. Okay, let's go ahead and find the faces. Face detection. Import the image. Gray image. Let's again make some notes. Okay, let's create a face detector. Dlib. Yeah, sorry. Create frontal face detector. And pass the gray image into that. Okay, let's go ahead and test it. I'd like to be able to see the faces. Make sure I'm importing them correctly. Okay. Just go ahead and put this down in our main function. Call it. Let's keep some good notes. Okay, see how it looks. Looks good. Found the face. Pretty happy with that. Okay. Let's go ahead and comment this out. Okay, there we go. Lag in my computer. Okay. Next, we're going to want to find the points. Let's go do that. Again, the grayscale images, but this time we will need faces to return from the detection. Start with the landmark detector. We're going to use Dlib's shape predictor. Bring in the file. This is a 68-point shape predictor for the landmarks. Let's loop over all the detected faces. You remember, I set this up so that we could detect more than one face in the image. Okay. Let's create landmark. That's the list we'll return. Range length. Detect all the faces. Let's go ahead and look for the area. We'll use the Dlib's rectangle. Make sure it's an int. This earlier and it was a float. Have to convert it to an int. Right, left. No. Yeah. Bottom. There we go. Okay. Now for every face, let's draw a rectangle. Landmarks. Remember this. Okay, let's add those to landmarks. Let's go ahead and test this. Let's see if we get points. 4 loops here. 1 through 68. Let's shoot all of them. Oh, sorry, 0 through 68. It's 0 based. Do CV2 circle. Make it green. Create a new window. It's found. And there we go. Okay. Let's put this down in the main function and call it. Notes. It's on the faces using Dlib. That's an image grain faces, and there we go. Got it. Pretty happy with that. Okay, let's go and close that out. Okay. Where am I? I think I need to comment that out real quick. Yep. Okay. Just where I need. Okay. Let's just go ahead and bring in some more images because I want to color in the lips and create a mask. So I'm going to do that now. HSV image. It's the one we'll manipulate. Image glasses. I'm going to go ahead and use a 4-channel. Alpha channel. Let's go ahead and take that and recombine it back into a color, basically. Empty mask. Okay. I'm pretty happy with that. Right. I want to create a for loop, and I'm going to use Q as a way of stopping that. I want to create those track bars now. The U, the first one. Saturation, second one. Let's start at 65. Now, some of this I did earlier. That's how I know what the numbers are. So we plan this out before I make the video so it doesn't end up as a 3-hour video. And black and white is going to be simple because I'm going to simply go to 0 to 255 with all the pixels. You could probably create color, but that's a little bit more than I... Okay, I think we're ready to do the lips. So we'll need the face landmarks. Let's make a quick note. Now again, some of this I did earlier. That's how I know some of this. Now I want a global image. I kept getting an error, and I don't know why I had to put that in. Okay, let's get the track bar for women. Set that to color and saturation. Change the color of the... So as the color changes, it'll change that channel. The first one, which is U, and the saturation. Added 35 to the saturation. And convert back to color. Okay. First, we want to find the points on the lips. And this is very similar to, let me see if I put some more here. Top. But first, let's take a look at the points. So 49 through 68 was actually 48 because it's 0 indexed with Python. So let's go ahead. Some more here. It's a little bit better. Okay. First thing to do is set X, Y, the dot parts, Dlib. Let's append that. Now, in order to fill in the thing, we need to use I want to let's see here. Where am I? CV2. If I don't have any lips, that's why I added this fifth if statement. How I did that. Okay, so we want to do fill poly. Requires an MP array. And let's go ahead and test this. Just going to look at the mask. It comes out okay. Okay. You know what? It's not going to work. I didn't call it in the main. Let's go and create a wait key right here. Jump down to main. Okay. Right in there. Right. Ellipse landmark and mask. Don't need all that just right now, but yeah, that works. Okay. As you can see, there's a mask of the lips. Looks about right. Let's go back. Let's get rid of that. And yeah, I'll get rid of that. Okay. Up a little bit there. Close that, and yeah. Let's go to mask and merge. So 2 bitwise. That's very handy. Bitwise not. So we can get the inverse. Let's merge the two together. Should be it. Well, next. Lost my place here. Got the lips. It's the glasses at this point. Yep. Oh, that's why it's giving me trouble. Let's loop over. Why it's true. Yeah. Forgot about this. Let's go ahead. You know, I need to change that. There we go. It's Q. And break. Okay. Now I can add the lips function in. Yep. Change lip color. That's better. A little confused earlier because of that test I did. Forgot about the loop and the track bars. Okay. Okay. Let's close some of those so I can see it a little easier. Let's go and create the glasses. Now, I'm just using mask or the alpha channel because I really just want to go from black to white. Okay? It makes it a little easier on me. So let's go ahead and get the track bar for that. Get the information. It'll just be a 1 or a 0. That in the main window. Okay. So we're looking for the facial landmarks. And I'm going to go ahead and create a list here with just those 3 points. There we go. The landmarks. X of each one of these points, not all the points, just each one as I'm looping through. And append that. Copy of the image here. I want to find the distance between two farthest points. And that way I can calculate the size of the glasses image. Just so I don't get any floats. Round this off. Convert to an int. That makes it easier for scaling. The length and the height. This way, if I get an odd number, I don't have any trouble dividing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that if statement and resize everything. Got someone outside my door. Okay, let's get started. So this go. Let's have a little bit more room. All even. Some of these I calculated earlier. Okay. Why? Now again, that's sure I don't have any trouble when I resize. Go ahead and it. Don't want it to be off. Again, this is all on my GitHub, so feel free to just download it. I've tried to make notes as I go through, but I got kind of lazy toward the end of this. This allows you to switch from the black to white. Basically, if the track bar equals 0, we're going to add all the points together, and if it's 1, it's subtracted, and that'll switch everything from 0 to 255 and vice versa. So let's go and keep going. So NumPy magic here. Find the region of interest. Set that equal where we want it in the image. Let's go ahead and put this down in the main function. There we go. So let me make a quick note. As I said, I have gotten a little lazy here. Let's go and call glasses function again. Marks, glasses. And that's pretty much it. Should work. Let's give it a go. I just apparently was on the wrong Python environment. So let's open this back up again. So as you can see, I can adjust the color. HSV. I can adjust the intensity. Great white there. Red. Or just make it look as natural as possible. And of course, I can switch between the color. So as it loops over, it fills in all the little pixels, so you can see a little bit of a byproduct there. It adds and subtracts. And that's it. So in the link below, you'll find my GitHub page and a link to this repository. So if you guys want to copy. Thank you very much.